Hey everybody, this is just a quick video. If you have a Bosch washing machine and you are getting an E12 error. So what is this error and how to get rid of it? So the E12 error is an excessive water filling time error, which means you turn the washing machine on and it starts to fill up with water, but depending on the size of the hose, how well the water's flowing and everything like that, it will take more or less time to fill up the water that it needs. And so it gives itself a certain amount of time, and then if it doesn't get, after that period of time, hasn't gotten enough water, it will put up an error. So to get rid of this error, what we need to do is we need to make sure that our machine can get enough water. So how are we going to do that? First thing we're going to do, we're just going to come in behind our machine and make sure that our valves are fully open, turned fully counterclockwise. And then we're going to check our hose that goes from the water line into the back of the washing machine. And we're going to make sure that there in that line, in that hose, there are no kinks, there are no bends, and there are no excessively long distances that we're trying to pump the water or anything like that. Okay? And then if that doesn't fix it, the next thing you can do is actually disconnect the hose, check the filter, the filter screen inside the hose that goes into the washing machine, and make sure there's no clogs or buildup of debris or anything like that in the filter that would be preventing the hose from getting proper water flow. So if you're able to check all those things, in 90% of cases you should be able to get rid of the E12 error, get water flowing properly to your machine. So anyways, I hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.